friends. So this is just going to be your reminder to clean your agitator. I tried that water bottle trick and it did not work for me. It was a little bit too wide. So thank you to the person who recommended me putting boiling water on this to help me get the agitator off, because I previously could not. And I also went under it with a knife under that lip and popped it up a little bit, so that also helped a lot. So thank you for that. Again, I did get this washing machine from a friend, so I need some love. Oh my god, oh my god. So of course we are putting that shit in bleach, diluted bleach, but I was tempted to just full strength that shit. And I'm gonna let this sit while I just work on the rest of the washing machine and that middle agitator using some Clorox bleach, bathroom cleanup spray. There was some shit in the middle of this that I had to go in and, you know, get out, spraying it with a shit ton of Clorox. This is disgusting. Oh my god. I didn't even know what an agitator was. I didn't know you could clean this, so thank you, TikTok cleaning community, for letting me know about this. This is insane. And if you didn't watch my first video of me cleaning by a washing machine and my dryer, then you might not know that I did get this washing machine from a friend. They had an extra one in their garage and I did not have the money to buy a new one at that moment when mine broke down. So I'm super thankful and just giving it some love. Oh my gosh, I couldn't get those out with like by scooping it up with my hands, so I did have to run a short rinse cycle to get rid of that water so I could clean up that whatever it is. And now it's time to take on this disgusting monster. I used Dawn antibacterial orange dish soap and just went after this with this really tough scrubby brush. I thought that the black stuff that you see this rim right here, I thought it was just on the top, like, of this outside device. No, it's its own layer of gunk. Oh my god, I don't even know what this stuff is. So yeah, I thought I could just wipe off that top layer with my finger, and then I was like, oh no, I have to put on gloves. I don't know what this is. And it was really hard to get out, so I did end up having to get one of those like straw cleaners and put Dawn dish soap on that and just kind of go to town and take it piece by piece. It was quite time consuming to do this, but the washer was on its rinse cycle anyway, so whatever. Look at all that crap that comes out and she's clean. Oh my god. Also, the poll about whether or not you guys want my chaotic boyfriend to do a voiceover, it's an overwhelming yes, so that will be coming as soon as we can. Bye friends.
Yesterday, I found out I had a house showing with only 10 minutes to get ready. Come watch as I get everything polished and ready to show.
bathroom sink has this stain around the drain and it's driving me nuts, so I'm going to try 1 million products and see if anything helps. First, I'm going in with Barkeeper's Friend and a magic eraser, and let's see if that does anything. Nope. Next, I'm going in with vinegar, scrub that, nothing's happening, so I'm gonna add some baking soda for some abrasion and see if that helps. By the way, between chemicals, I am completely rinsing the sink, rinsing my tools, and I am letting the chemicals sit. Vinegar didn't work. Let's try Power Paste. This smells amazing, but is doing nothing. Next, let's try some hydrogen peroxide. This is really good for taking out stains, but nope, it did nothing here. Let's try Comet with bleach. Make that into a paste and let it sit. I let most of these sit for between 5 and 10 minutes. That didn't help either. Next, let's try White Bright. This stuff smells absolutely horrible. It does make a nice paste though. Nope, no change there. What's next? Toilet bowl cleaner. We're going in for the hard stuff. I wanted to save this one for last because it's the most harsh chemical, and unfortunately that didn't work either. Help me out, guys. Happy Friday, it's mop day. Today we're going in with powdered Tide, 70% isopropyl alcohol, and some yellow Fabuloso. The alcohol helps the floors to dry faster and also helps disinfect. Today I really want to talk about why I use Tide. I get the question all the time, why are you using laundry detergent on your floors? Well, I use it because it works so well. Tide has what's called surfactants in it, and these break down dirt and food particles into smaller chunks that wouldn't otherwise be able to dissolve in water. So because it does this, it breaks down the dirt and then your mop can easily pick it up. That's why my mop water is so dirty, because the Tide is literally breaking down the dirt and I can pick it all up. I love it.
Come watch as I clean my laundry room.
All clean.